Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful dish that's simply delicious and it's made with potatoes. This is the very popular side dish called Aloo Ke Gutke. Now this can be enjoyed with any main course and I'm sure there are many variations to it. Let me know how you make it in your region. Let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I've taken 10 medium-sized potatoes and I've boiled them with skin. So we're going to be using the potatoes with the skin on. Just chop them into large pieces. So this is a good size. If you don't like your potatoes with the skin on, you can just peel off the skin and chop them into large size pieces like these. To make the masala, to the mixer jar add 4 large green chilies cut up, a large piece of ginger chopped, 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons cumin powder, 2 teaspoons Garam Masala powder. Next, I'm adding a handful of the Coriander Stocks. So first I'm going to grind it in pulse mode without adding any water. So this masala is going to be a coarse mixture. You don't want to grind it to a fine paste. Do you guys like your Aloo Ke Gutke spicy or a little mild? Just let me know. I'm making it a bit spicy here. Just add a little bit of water and just grind it to a coarse mixture. So you can see I've just ground it in pulse mode entirely. So we need this texture, look at that. So take a nice wide kadai that's easy for mixing. I'm adding about 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. I would highly recommend you to use mustard oil for this particular recipe because it brings out the flavors beautifully. Once the oil is lightly heated, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Next add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Just roast them lightly till the mustard seeds begin to splutter. So as the mustard seeds begin to splutter, add 4 red chillies cut into half. Keep the flame on low. Add a quarter teaspoon of Hing or Asafoetida powder. So once you've mixed that in, so add the ground masala into the oil and we're just going to cook this in oil. You see how instantly it's absorbed all that beautiful mustard oil. Next add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Just mix that in. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. Since we're going to be adding the potatoes, it might need a little extra salt here. Now that the masala is cooked, you can see it's releasing all the oil. Gently drop in the cooked and chopped potato pieces. Like I said earlier, I'm adding them with the skin, but if you prefer without the skin, you can do that as well. Wow, just look at that. Just mix everything well till all the pieces are beautifully covered in that masala. Finally, I'm going to add a generous amount of finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. Finishing off by adding the juice of half lemon. Well, this is entirely optional, but I like that light tangy flavor, so I'm adding this. Wow, just look at that beautiful Aloo Ke Gutke. It smells amazing and it looks absolutely fantastic. Turn off the heat and you can enjoy this dish any main course of your choice. Let's taste and find out. Wow, the flavors are just amazing. Very, very tasty. Well, this is a potato lover's treat. The flavors are phenomenal and you can just make it in about 20 minutes. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.